My name is John Arnold. I'm the Residency Program Director at Memorial Hospital. Our mission at the Residency Program at Memorial is to make sure that our residents are prepared for whatever that next step is. So we build on the education of the Doctor of Pharmacy programs so that our residents are ready for an acute care position, helping patients with their medication issues. We're doing further advanced training with the second year residency, or even getting national certification.
I was very fortunate as a student to have multiple rotations here, and I was just amazed at how comfortable they made me feel as a student, how they treated me like part of their family. They were very willing to teach me, very willing to help me learn, and I knew that if I got a residency program here, I could expect the same from them, and I have. Hey, I'm Tiffany Entrican, PGY1 pharmacy resident at Memorial.
When the residents come in, they are treated pretty well and they're accepted as pharmacists as they are, and they become part of our team. My name is Sean Chaska. I'm the Director of Pharmacy at Memorial Hospital. It's very important that they become accepted because we need them. They need us, and it's something that we're very proud of.
The people here, the preceptors themselves are really great. They're very helpful in the learning process. The area I love the most right now is clinical and also working in the IV room. Hi, I'm Chelsea Thames. I'm a PGY1 pharmacy resident at Memorial. The reason I love working in clinical is to be able to use more knowledge with patient care, to be able to think about what I need to do as my next step. It's a little more fast-paced and challenging.
Our preceptors have a wide variety of expertise and experiences. I think that's important in residency training because that's something that residents can do is model the best of what their preceptors have to offer. I think we have an outstanding group of pharmacy preceptors.
We look forward to the camaraderie that they bring, the clinical knowledge that they bring, the research that they do. We're very happy that they're here.
What I love the most about practicing here is how flexible the residency program at Memorial has been. Again, as I mentioned, they are very willing to teach you, the preceptors, very willing to help you learn. They make sure that you never feel like you're a burden. And I think for me as a nurse coming from a critical care background, the experiences in critical care that we have here in both of our ICUs, I think is an area that you can enjoy. And the IV room is probably one of my favorite areas here so far.
We have several required rotations that I wanted to highlight. First is the time that the residents spend in our central pharmacy operations. They get to experience all the technology in our drug distribution system, as well as work in our sterile prep area, and see our decentralized pharmacy clinics where we do patient monitoring with our clinical programs. Also, the patients have time to spend with our infectious disease pharmacy specialist who rounds every day with the ID team in the hospital, seeing on average 50 to 60 patients. In addition, the residents also spend time with our critical care pharmacists in our ICU units where they round with the intensivist teams. We also have an elective feature that we're proud of, that's our outpatient pharmacy, where the residents can experience working in our employee pharmacy, as well as our Meds to Beds program, and working with our specialized pharmacists who are in physician clinics in the ambulatory setting.
If you're having trouble deciding, just know that here at Memorial, everyone is very accepting. It can be scary coming into a new environment that's unknown, but just know that here you'll be very much welcomed.
I already feel like I'm part of the family here at Memorial, thanks to the preceptors, the residency director, the other employees here at Memorial. I could easily see myself continuing my pharmacy career here long term.